friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. In this exercise number 8 of chapter number 16, we will learn that how can we create tables for pipe network in Civil 3D. As we have learned in previous chapter, tables are an effective way to convey information about a design. The main advantage of table is that they organize the information in an orderly fashion, making it easy to read. In previous chapter, you create table for parcel and alignment, so now we can use same thing for pipe networks. Let's start our exercise. You can download this drawing creating pipe network tables from description link and active your left viewport of plan view. First we will create label for this sanitary line, and then according to table we will label our sanitary line. Look at each part according to table. So go to annotate tab. You will see here add labels and here pipe network. Then you can see here add structures. Just click on this, and table style should be, for now I will select CSSWR and structure and pipe data. Select network, sanitary, you can select anyone. Now I am going with sanitary. I will leave another two network to you. You can make practice with them. Just leave them as it is and click OK. It will say select upper left corner of your table, so you can click any empty space to show your table. Now you can examine your table's details. There is structure name, details, pipes and pipes out. Here we have structure names here for sanitary pipe network, but now in the plan view you have not any structure name, so we will label this structure. Select pipe network, and here entire network should be selected, while pipe labels C-word name only and C-word name only for structure. Also just click add and click here on any pipe structure of network. You have each label for each structure. So you can see we have a label here for our tables. So now we can look at our tables according to our plan view labels for each pipe and structure. Hope you like this video. If you are waiting for grading in Civil 3D, then the next chapter is for you, and I will start that as soon as possible. In the next video we will learn